place.
Yeah.
Fun.
Now the horseradish, you gonna get it.
This is very interesting because
Oh, no, go
yeah,
ahead.
this
You
is
need
a
to-
very interesting hair design. Now, where did you have it done?
Thank you. A friend of mine, Chanel Royal, she actually
Okay.
did it. And it took about 6 or 7 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And this is probably about 4 weeks old now that I've had
Wow,
it.
and it stays put, huh?
Yeah, pretty
Do you
much.
use any kind of special treatment to make sure it stays in place?
No, actually at night I just put a scarf on around
Uh-huh.
it, and that's pretty much it. And sometimes I actually sleep with it in a bun, and when I get up in the morning, I can just get up and go with it still in the bun, and it's
Wow.
fine.
It-
Yeah,
It, took 6 hours. Right?
yeah,
Wow, but it stays for a
yeah,
long time. That's
yeah.
great.
It does. It can stay like it's up to maybe even like 4 to 8 weeks, and then
Alright.
sometimes you can actually get like some of it taken out and redone, and however you want to do it, it's up to you.
Okay, very interesting. Do you come to the Winter Garden Farmers Market regularly?
Well, I'm trying to start coming more. I actually was just here last week, and then so I had some of my friends bring their kids because I know there were some, cool things here for
Yeah,
them
like
to see.
music. I really like music.
Music, of course, the different vendors with their food and organic products and things like that. It's very cool. I think there's something for everybody.
Yes, yes, it's really nice.
Definitely.
Are these, which one are your kids?
Oh, I don't have
Oh,
any
you don't have
actually.
any
Yeah,
business
they're
friends?
one each belongs to one of them.
Oh, I wonder about their face painting. Was that done here too?
It was done here, and she was very fast. Like it was probably done in like 10 minutes.
Oh, very good. Well,
If
thank
that.
you. What's your name?
Oh, I'm Samantha.
Samantha. Hi.
Yes.
Okay, I'm Susan.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
I'll definitely have to check out
enjoyable atmosphere.
your website. It is. I love it out here.
WinderSun.com.
Oh,
Yes.
what is it again?
WinderSun.com. Yeah,
Yes,
there's a lot of
I
free
will.
information, such as jobs, business ideas, opportunities, grants, loans, and health tips, beauty tips.
Okay, great.
on
I'll have to
Twitter,
take a look.
All kinds of stuff. Free to use.
Okay, thank you
you.
so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.